Hello all, myself Shreyas Raj. You are watching Decoding Point from basic to advanced, and in this video I will talk about meta tags, what their uses are, how they affect your site, and so on. So without any further delay, let's jump right into it. So here I have open item, and now I would make another project, and I would name it meta tags.html. I would write the basic code. So now I will tell you what meta tags are. Meta tags are tags which provide the search engine with info about your site, like the author of the page, when it was last modified, and so on. And meta tags are also empty elements, which means they don't have a closing tag and they only have an opening tag. So here we could see there is one meta tag already here. It's the meta tag of character set, which is set to UFT8. So the browser knows that this is on UFT8, or this should be searched on UFT8. So now I will also tell you about some more meta tags. Meta tags are mostly inserted inside the head and not near the body. So here I would go and I would write meta, and I would set the name. So the first tag that I want to talk about is the keywords tag. So the keywords of my web page, as I'm using keywords of my web page, is or are HTML tutorials. So if you ever searched on the web, if I have this website published, then if you ever searched about the keywords and like HTML tutorials, if you write simply HTML tutorials, then you are likely to find or come across this site. So after the keywords tag comes the author tag. Name, author. So the author of this web page is me, which is Shreyas. So the web engine, or if you ever write my name, so the search engine would know that the author of this web page is Shreyas Raj, if you ever search by my name. After the meta author comes the meta description. The meta description provides the search engine with the description of the site. Meta description, and the content or description would be whatever the site is based on, like this is a site which provides you with videos to learn HTML. So yeah, this would be the content of the description of the site. So after the content or after description comes the last modified. So the last modified could be written like this: meta name, revision. I would remove this extra as revision, and the content would be set to last modified, and I would write the date 2021, which is to this year, 5th month, 19th day. So last modifier of this day, or of the website, is 2021 May 19. So now the last meta tag that I want to talk about is the refresh meta tag. This tells the site to refresh after a certain time, but this is not recommended as this leads to conflicts and many other problems. So if you are in absolute need or you absolutely need to do it, then only do it. So name would be refresh. The content would be the time in seconds, which is 5. So now the page would refresh every 5 seconds. Now if I view the live preview, we could see that there is not any kind of effect, or it's not being shown into effect, because these are all internal contents and they don't show up on the page. But if you look at the page source, then you could see these codes, and then it's mostly for the search engine, so why the user should see it, right? So here we come to the end of our video. If you like the video, like. If you want more of these content, subscribe. And if you want someone else to know about HTML, then share. And remember to stay safe and keep learning. Bye bye. See you in the next video.